This may be stupid of me. This may be. I am going to try and stand up this last wall by myself. And it's going to not be easy because, actually I need to get rid of this limb over here, because I've got to stand it up, and because it's less than 8 feet and the wall is 8 foot tall, I can't stand it up right there. So I've turned it perpendicular so I can stand it up and then I can turn it in place. So we're going to try that. First I'm going to go get the limb cutter and cut this limb off so that way it's this limb right here, so it's out of the way. So I'll be right back. See, I'm one of those people who like to do stuff myself, and I like to come up with solutions when other people would fail. And so while I was doing my live stream, I started thinking, if I turn this perpendicular, I can stand it up, and then it's a matter of me sliding it in place. I'm an idiot. This is either going to work and I'll look like a genius, or it's going to come down for real and I'll look like a freaking idiot. All right. Stage one is there. Hey kids, don't try this at home. Okay. We are close to where we need to be. Okay. I'm gonna go nail a cleat on the outside here. Keep the nail down close. Holy shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Wow. I don't believe this shit. You just watched me stand up this whole wall by my damn self. Holy shit. I can't believe it. Oh, let's see. How? Look at that. I gotta pull that up in there. But damn. Okay. Wow. Holy shit. We did it. What I'll do is, I just need to get the bar clamp and pull that on over and get that snug and square. And now it's a matter of getting this one in. Pick that one up, push it in place, and we're good to go. Okay. Holy shit. Holy shit. Not mine. Holy shit. Can you believe it? All I gotta do now is cut these out right here and put my top plates in. I'll pull this up here. I gotta pull it a little bit tighter. But look, we're good. We are good. I can't believe I did that. Holy crap. And then cut this wood, finish nailing it on in there. We've got 4 walls, people. 4 walls, and you see it's flush in there. So one man versus the shed. I did it. See, using math and determination, we got it. Oh, Nelly, we got it. I'm Mark Holmes, and well, it's coming a long ways. We'll take a peek at this after I get this cut open. Oh man, I can't wait to go ahead and call my bride, because before I was like, we need Michael, our helper, and we're gonna need her to help me stand this up. And when I show her this and say, honey, I need you to come get some help, I need some help, she's gonna be, how the hell did you do it? And I'm gonna say, cause baby, I'm rough, I'm tough, I'm so unique. I got the baddest jams around. And you saw it happen. Now, we're gonna get some more of our DeWalt tools here. We're gonna get our big Sawzall right here. And we're gonna cut out the windows. And I think that's gonna be great. Tomorrow, we start framing up the roof line. That is after we go fix a roof. Yeah, we gotta fix a roof. There's always so much to do. I only been working on this a couple hours a day in between trying to get my other work done. Peace.